The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason is a classic personal finance and wealth-building book that offers timeless financial principles through a collection of parables set in ancient Babylon. Written in the 1920s, the book continues to be a popular and influential resource for individuals seeking to improve their financial well-being. In this summary, we will explore the key lessons and principles presented in the book. 1. Start thy purse to fattening. The book begins with the story of Arkad, the titular richest man in Babylon, sharing his wisdom on how to accumulate wealth. He emphasizes the importance of saving a portion of one's income, at least 10%, before spending on other expenses. This practice is crucial for building wealth over time. 2. Make thy gold multiply. Arkad stresses the importance of investing money wisely to make it grow. He advises seeking sound investment opportunities and avoiding risky ventures. Additionally, he emphasizes the need to seek expert advice and continuously educate oneself about financial matters. 3. Guard thy treasures from loss. This chapter focuses on risk management and the protection of one's investments. Arkad advises against trusting investments that promise high returns with no risk, as they often lead to financial losses. Diversification and careful consideration of investment options are key to safeguarding one's wealth. 4. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. The book encourages individuals to view their homes as investments rather than mere expenses. Arkad advises against extravagant spending on housing and suggests purchasing properties that can generate income or appreciate in value over time. This aligns with the modern concept of real estate investment. 5. Ensure a future income. To ensure financial security in old age, Arkad advises setting aside a portion of one's earnings for retirement. He stresses that individuals should not rely solely on their ability to work but should also invest and save for the future. 6. Increase thy ability to earn. Arkad emphasizes the importance of self-improvement and continuous learning to increase one's earning potential. He suggests acquiring new skills and seeking opportunities for career advancement, which can lead to higher income and greater financial success. 7. Make thy future secure. This chapter deals with the inevitability of life's uncertainties, such as accidents, illnesses, and unexpected expenses. Arkad advises setting aside a portion of one's income for an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs and to provide peace of mind. 8. Ensure a desirable income for thy future. Arkad underscores the significance of creating a financial plan and setting clear financial goals. He advises individuals to develop a strategy for achieving their desired income and wealth, highlighting the importance of discipline and commitment to the plan. 9. Increase thy ability to earn. In this chapter, Arkad offers more insights into self-improvement and the acquisition of valuable skills. He encourages readers to become experts in their chosen fields, as this can lead to increased earning potential and financial success. 10. Make thy fortune from investments. The book concludes with a reminder of the importance of wise investment choices. Arkad encourages readers to seek opportunities for their money to work for them and to avoid impulsive or speculative investments that can lead to financial ruin. Throughout The Richest Man in Babylon, George S. Clason presents these financial principles in a straightforward and accessible manner, making them applicable to individuals of all income levels and backgrounds. The book's timeless wisdom continues to inspire readers to take control of their finances, save, invest wisely, and ultimately achieve financial prosperity.